426. That's the number of Iowans' lives lost due to overdosing on opioids. KIMT News 3's Alex Jurgens sat in on today's meeting with the Iowa Attorney General, Tom Miller, about where the state sits on fighting the opioid crisis. He joins us now live in Mason City. Alex?
Well, Amy, according to Miller, the good majority of these deaths, about 2/3, are attributed to opioids laced with fentanyl. Miller, two University of Iowa professors, and a federal attorney talked about the state of the crisis during a morning Zoom call this morning. The pandemic has not made things easier. Dr. Gerard Clancy at the University of Iowa Hospitals and Clinics has seen a big jump in substance use and mental health disorders, which are exacerbated by fentanyl use within the last year. He notes of the partnership between the school and law enforcement to address this crisis.
The insurgence of fentanyl has made things much more complicated. And I think it's important for people to understand that fentanyl is a different player. It is more dangerous. It is harder to work with as far as some of the treatment tools that we have. But we do have the knowledge. We do have the skills. We can get a handle on this. We have the abilities, and it's partnerships like this that make it happen.
Now, Miller also noted the state's continued legal action against opioid manufacturers and is working through the final pieces on a settlement with 3 distributors and Johnson & Johnson that will help bring money into the state to help deal with this crisis. Live in Mason City, Alex Jurgens, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Alex. At the federal level, a group of House Republicans is introducing the Fentanyl Trafficker Elimination Act, which would apply life sentences to individuals who traffic fentanyl.